Hey everyone, Tony here. Hope you are doing well. It is Wednesday, February 21st. I have some positive news for you guys. Coinbase has announced on their Twitter account that they have officially finished testing SegWit for Bitcoin. So what is the result of this? Well, you will now notice that transactions for Bitcoin will be faster and cheaper. So being able to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to wherever, you'll notice the fee will be much lower and it'll be much faster. So the SegWit, that's essentially what the SegWit protocol allows Bitcoin to be faster and cheaper. Now this is still to be rolled out for Litecoin, but this is a big win because Coinbase, even with all its problems, guys, and they've had a lot, right? They are still the #1 exchange. They also provide an interface that's very easy to use for folks who are new to the market. So they have that branding. Once again, they are the #1 and they're very easy to use. So it's important that they are up and running and functioning, and that they have implemented these things and they're making these upgrades, because if we want more folks to come into the market to invest and these things trickle down to the price of the cryptos we hold so we can all then make some money, this is important. So they said here, we will be starting a phase launch to customers over the next few days and are targeting a 100% launch to all customers by mid next week. So this was announced yesterday, February 20th. So very positive news and very positive and very good if you're holding crypto, because once again, if we want people to come to the market and make it easy and seamless, and we don't want issues with Bitcoin, the ridiculously high fees to purchase Bitcoin and transfer Bitcoin and so forth. So this is very good, and I'm happy about this news. As I report, I'm also expecting Coinbase to be listing Ripple XRP. I gave my timeline of this month to the end of March, so that's still what I'm predicting. I could be wrong, of course, but I think that I'm seeing internal movements at Coinbase. A lot of roadblocks are being removed. We're seeing upgrades like this. We see they're hiring folks with a Lightning Network. And also, as I mentioned, competition is coming into the U.S. market, so Coinbase has to get its act together. But anyway, the takeaway here, good news. If you're going to use, Coinbase to purchase Bitcoin, you don't have to deal with the ridiculous fees anymore, and the transaction speeds will be much faster. And also, I think eventually when the Lightning Network and all of that stuff is rolled out and everything's set up, it'll be much better. So I believe I reported, yes, I did. I reported on Coinbase hiring Litecoin network developers and so forth to try to get themselves on set up for that. So all around good news. I know the market's down today. I'm going to do a separate video on that, talking about what I think is going on, because there hasn't been any negative news, but I'm going to talk about what's happening there. So I'll talk to you guys very soon, and please subscribe, please thumbs up this video if you like it, and I'll talk to you very soon.